Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Made in India Smart Essential collection from Petron, where we will see some of the new products which they are making in India. So in this bag first we have the Celero TB301, which is a Type-C USB charging cable. And then we get the Volta Plus, which is a 17 watt fast charger. After that we have the Dynamo Pro, which is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and it supports 18 watt fast charging. But the main thing for which I'm really excited, and it's the Bass Buds Plus, which is the company's made in India budget true wireless stereo earbuds. So starting with the unboxing experience, here we have the picture of the earphones and the model name Bass Buds Plus, and they are the true wireless stereo earbuds. At the back we can see they are available in few different colors, and the one we have here is the black variant. And here on the top we have some key features such as 8mm driver, the earbuds comes with the 40 mAh battery, and the charging case has a capacity of 300 mAh. You get 4 hours of music playback time and 3.5 hours of talk time. The MRP of these earbuds is Rs 2499. However, they are available to purchase right now for Rs 999. Now let's open the box and see the content. So here on the top we get the barcode, and this is a digital user manual, and then we get this thank you card from Petron, and below it we have the charging case and the earbuds. And I must say that keeping in mind the pricing, the build quality of this product is very good. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the micro USB charging cable and few extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Petron Bass Buds Plus are the budget true wireless stereo earphones. Looking at the charging case, the build quality is good, and it's also quite compact and lightweight. The door quality also feels pretty good. At the back we have the micro USB charging port, and talking about the battery, it's 300 mAh. The main USP of this charging case is this LCD battery indicator in the front, which is really helpful. Now looking at the earbuds, first of all they are very lightweight and weigh only 4 grams each. The earbuds are in-ear style and the build quality feels very good, and again keeping in mind the pricing, the build quality is very good. In terms of the other details, as mentioned earlier, the earbuds comes with the 8mm driver, and for controls you get the physical button on both the earbuds, and there is also a mic on each earbud. So when you place the earbuds in the case, they get magnetically attached, and you get this red LED light when they are charging, and also you can see the remaining battery of the case in the front. Now let's pair the earbuds with our phone. So for pairing, you need to take them out of the case, and then you will see a blinking LED light on one of the earbud, and that's it. They're ready to pair. So the earbuds are paired with our phone. Now let's test the sound quality. Now starting with the comfort, the earbuds are comfortable and you get a good passive noise cancellation. Now talking about the sound quality, you get good clarity from these earbuds. Vocals are very clear and the instrument separation is also very good. So this means you get good highs and mids in these earbuds. And talking about the bass is good, but they are not too bassy, and basically the bass output is decent. So overall you get a balanced output from these earbuds, and they are perfect for listening to casual music, watching videos and movies. I have used them to watch movies on Netflix and other streaming platforms, and I find the output very good. Now talking about the controls, single press allows you to pause and play music, double press on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and double press on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. Long press on either of the earbuds for 2 seconds will enable Google Assistant or Siri. Now lastly about the mic quality, I have taken a few calls with it and the mic performance is average, but you can use these earbuds to take voice and video calls without any issue. So overall Petron Bass Buds Plus, the first made in India true wireless earbuds, offers decent performance. You get good sound output and the build quality and design is also very good. And keeping in mind the pricing, which is under 1000 rupees, I find them a pretty good package. There is one thing which could be better, and that is, instead of the micro USB port, I wish it had the Type-C charging port. Nonetheless, I can definitely recommend them to you if you're looking for a decent true wireless earbuds and on a tight budget. Now before we wrap up the video, let me quickly show you the power bank. So here we have the Dynamo Pro, which is a 10,000 mAh fast charging power bank. This power bank is also made in India, and about the design and quality, the power bank is sleek and compact, and I really like the texture in the front. And here on the top in the front, we have the battery indicator. And about the ports, you get the Type-C, micro USB and the regular size USB port in this power bank. And the best part is, that it supports fast charging. So guys, that's all for now in this video. Hope you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about these products, let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.